Cleanse your colon fast with these 8 remedies. An average American has 20 pounds of waste accumulated in the colon, which is not just an added weight. Namely, the toxic waste impedes the function of the colon to absorb nutrients and expel waste from the body, and negatively affects gut bacteria. Therefore, even though your bowel movements are regular, you will benefit a lot from a colon cleanse. Dr. Axe maintains, many people suffer from chronic constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut and other issues with the digestive system. Because the colon has an important job of eliminating waste, it's critical that you keep it running smoothly. Fortunately, there are things you can do to help alleviate discomfort associated with toxins and digestion issues in the body, such as a homemade colon cleanse. A homemade colon cleanse can help flush out some of the toxins in your body that could be contributing to your discomfort and also offer natural relief from constipation. Moreover, such a method will help you lose weight, fight fatigue, and stop the sluggish feeling. Food Matters explains this in more details. After food has passed through your stomach and small intestine, the residual material moves to the first section of your large intestine, your colon. At approximately 6 feet long, your colon's primary job is to dehydrate liquid waste material in preparation for excretion. The average colon contains nearly 60 varieties of microflora and bacteria which aid digestion and promote nutrient production. This helps to maintain pH balance and prevent the growth and proliferation of harmful bacteria. Keeping your colon clean can provide many substantial health benefits, including lower risk of developing bowel cancer, a leading type of cancer in most industrialized countries. Lower risk of experiencing discomfort from IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, chronic constipation, and chronic diarrhea. Lower risk of developing hemorrhoids. Less undesirable gas production. More productive absorption of water and nutrients. A feeling of lightness and comfort in your abdominal region. Here are 8 ways to naturally cleanse your colon. 1. Lots of fiber. You need to consume foods rich in fiber, such as figs, prunes, avocados, berries, okra, and Brussels sprouts. Women between 19 and 50 need 25 grams of fiber daily, while men should consume 38 grams, and these doses decrease a bit after 50. 2. Water. More than 75% of Americans suffer from dehydration, which is the main cause of colon blockage. Therefore, drinking plenty of water is essential for a proper function of the colon, so make sure you consume at least 2 liters daily. You can also add fresh slices of lemon and/or oranges into your water, that will boost its cleansing properties. 3. Probiotics. Probiotics are healthy bacteria which regulate the toxic bacteria that cause blockages in the colon and gut. Our bodies are normally rich in probiotics, but these levels can drop due to various factors such as antibiotics. Therefore, you can take probiotic supplements and consume foods rich in probiotics, such as kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, kombucha, dark chocolate, and pickles. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is acidic in nature and contains enzymes that support probiotic growth. It can help you fight the hardened toxic colon blockage which has been accumulating for years. Just add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of organic honey to 8 ounces of warm water, stir and drink it every morning. 5. Prune juice. The juice of prunes is rich in fiber, which clears colon blockages. Drink 8 ounces of prune juice before breakfast and another 8 ounces after dinner. As soon as your bowel movements become more frequent, you can gradually reduce the dose. 6. Ginger tea. Ginger accelerates digestion and regulates bowel movements. Here is how to prepare ginger tea. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 5 cups of spring water. Mix the ingredients, boil them, and then reduce the heat. Allow to simmer for 10 minutes, sweeten with honey, and drink it. 7. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C which improves colon health, boosts the metabolism rate, and helps the body to expel waste. Therefore, start each day with a glass of warm lemon water. 8. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that loosen the colon, and extremely high amounts of fiber. Therefore, grind it and add it to yogurt, cereals, or oatmeal.